to buy it. Number 5 is LGT Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer. When it comes to the fascinating world of robotics, the LGT Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer is truly a game changer. Picture this: equipped with an upgraded dual blower kit, this printer cools the filament in a flash, preventing any pesky deformations or wire mishaps. Say goodbye to wonky creations and hello to flawless prints. But that's not all. With its stable triangular structure, courtesy of reinforced diagonal rods, this printer is like a rock star on stage, effortlessly reducing vibrations and giving you the most stable printing experience ever. It's like having a personal concert for your creations. The excitement doesn't stop there. Get ready for a symphony of silence because the LK5 Pro boasts a silent and open-source motherboard. Powered by the remarkable TMC2208 ultra-silent driver, this printer takes noise reduction to a new level. And with its open-source firmware, you can let your imagination run wild, tweaking the G-code to bring your wildest ideas to life. Now, let's talk about style. Imagine a 4.3-inch full-color touchscreen, replacing clunky manual knobs and dot matrix displays. The UI interface is optimized to make your operation a breeze. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for robotics. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.